Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I am doing an everyday clean with me. I'm going to be showing you what I do on a daily basis through doing the kitchen, the washing up, the washing, hoovering, just everyday chores that we've all got to do, and some of us really don't like doing it, so I'm hoping that this video is going to give you a little bit of motivation to get your day started. So who else is absolutely obsessed with pyjamas, especially new pyjamas? Because I know that I am. I bought these pyjamas yesterday, which is why I am wearing them throughout the whole video, because I think I'm going to be living in these pyjamas for the next few days. They are so comfy, they're so soft, so easy to do the housework in. You can move around, bend down easily. So that's why I am in my pyjamas through this whole video. After clearing up in the living room, I'm now going to put a wash load in. It's been a while since I've done some washing, so the laundry really needed doing today. So I'm going to put a few wash loads in, and then I'm going to do the washing up and sort out the kitchen.
We waste our lives lying, we're fine. We step on knives to pass that time. We waste our lives lying, we're fine.
I really love the winter sun. I love how it goes through the window. I just love everything about it and what it looks like. But unfortunately, I do use natural light for all of my videos, so you might not be getting the best view because of the lighting, but in person it looks so pretty. So I'm still happy that the sun's like this, even though it does leave random lines over me from the window. But the winter sun is absolutely beautiful today. Glowing through the window as I do the washing up, it just helps put me in a good mood for the rest of the day. So once I've finished the washing up, I'm going to have a quick coffee break, because you know what I am like when it comes to caffeine. I need a coffee break. Just waiting for the washing machine to be finished, and then I can swap the washing over and start folding and putting it all away. Who Who else has already got their Christmas tree up and decorations all out ready for Christmas? I don't know if it's too early to be having a Christmassy background, but I am so excited. So the Christmas backdrop is going to be in quite a few of my videos now over the next couple of months, because I absolutely love Christmas. I love all the sparkly twinkly lights. I just love all of it. I'm so excited. What colours have you all gone for this year's Christmas colour theme? I've stuck with the very traditional green, gold types of colours and reds, and I'd love to know what colours you've gone for. Give me some inspiration for next year, because I want to mix it up a little bit. Let me know in the comments below what colour theme you've gone for in your house this year. And this is the reason I hate living in the UK. The houses are so tiny. So unless you are a millionaire, you've got a really small house, and my house doesn't fit the washing machine and the tumble dryer all inside, so we have to have the tumble dryer in the garage. So on days like today when it's raining, it is horrible to have to go out there, put my boots and coat on and get the washing in. So let me know if you've got your washing machine and tumble dryer in one place, or if you've got it outside as well, if you're anything like me.
I just assumed I'd play the part of keeping you in the right direction. No matter how your confidence may fall, I'll be here as your foundation. And I say, hey, yo, just let it go. Your struggles won't remain. And I say, hey, yo.
So I've left the washing in the basket on the stairs for next time I go up there, rather than having to keep going upstairs and downstairs all the time. So I'm just going to give my house a quick hoover over, just the downstairs for now. I've hoovered quite a bit lately, because you've just seen in my previous video that I got the brand new steam mop as a present, and I am over the moon with it, and I am using it every single day. And at the moment I'm using it multiple times a day, so my carpet is getting hoovered like twice a day. So it really doesn't need doing much to it today. I'm just going to give it a quick going over.
Until your faith is shaken, there's a whole lot of good on your mind.
And now I get to play with this bad boy again. I absolutely love it. I've been putting some different scents of Sephora in there. I'm not sure if you are supposed to put Sephora in there. I'm really hoping it's not going to ruin it or anything, but it smells absolutely gorgeous. This time I'm using the cinnamon, because then it makes all downstairs smell very Christmassy, cinnamony. It's really nice. So yeah, let me know if you're not supposed to do that, because I could easily be breaking my steam mop at the moment. I don't know, but either way it smells absolutely beautiful.
So hold on to me.
We've recently moved the furniture around. I don't know if you can see, but we've got those awful like indents in the carpet, so I'm hoping the steam mop is going to get rid of those, as well as I showed you earlier, where we've got to keep going out and coming back in when we do the washing. By the door, the carpet is getting a little bit mucky, so I think I need to get like a mat or some sort of rug to put down there. But again, the steam mop works wonders for that area, so I'm so glad I've got it. Like, it is an absolute lifesaver. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed this one. If you have, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. That'll just really help my page out. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Subscribe with the button below and press the little bell next to it. That'll just notify you every time I post, so you don't miss anything. I post every Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday, so you'll be able to get lots of cleaning motivation throughout the week. I really hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one.